and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is CrissyBEA, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, nice to see you again. So today I'm back with another Zodiac star sign makeup look, and as you can tell, you probably, well, it depends if you know your star sign. As you can tell, I am doing the Aries star sign. So with this one I didn't actually incorporate I incorporated the star sign within the actual makeup look, so that is actually part of it. So that's what the horns are for, and then I went with the colours that I associated with Aries within the eyes and everything like that. So to make sure how I actually recreated this look, make sure you carry on watching. Okay guys, so let's talk about Aries. The element is fire. The colours are red or orange. The day is Tuesday. The ruler is Mars. Greatest overall compatibility is Libra and Leo. Lucky numbers are 1, 8, 17, and the date ranges from March the 21st until April the 19th. So if you're born in between those days, you are an Aries. So their strengths are courageous, determined, confident, enthusiastic, optimistic, honest and passionate. The weaknesses are impatient, moody, short-tempered, impulsive and aggressive. Aries like comfortable clothes, taking on leadership roles, physical challenges and individual sports. Aries dislikes activity, delays, work that does not use one's talent. As the first sign in the Zodiac, the presence of Aries always marks the beginning of something energetic. They are continuously looking at dynamics, speed and confidence, always being the first in everything, from work to social gathering. Thanks to its ruling planet, Mars, and the fact that it belongs to an element of fire, just like Leo and Sagittarius, Aries is one of the most active zodiac signs. It is in their nature to take action sometimes before they even think about it. The challenges show when they get impatient, aggressive and vent anger, pointing it to other people. Strong personalities born under this sign have a task to fight for their goals, embracing toughness and teamwork through the incarnation. Aries rules the head and leads with the head, often literally walking head first, leaning forward for speed and focus. Its representative is naturally brave and rarely afraid of trial and risk. They possess youthful strength and energy, regardless of their age, and quickly perform any given task. So if you're an Aries, you are a very determined person, so good for you. But anyways, let's just get on to the actual makeup. Okay, so as you can see, I've done my foundation. I used the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation, and then I also conceal with the Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer from top, and I set my face with the W7 Banana Powder. And now what I'm actually doing is using black eyeshadow from EYN Bright palette from Beauty Bay, and I'm using this to sketch out my drawing of the ram horn, and then using the colours to fill in and also fade it out towards my eyes. And now I've gone into this red shade, which I'm actually filling out in my eyelids, and I'm starting with towards my eyebrows, going into towards my eyelids, and then I've gone on to this orange, which is a like a bright orange, which is gonna transition from the red to the orange, and I'm putting that towards my eyelids. And then I've gone in and used the cut crease by Revolution in the color Halo, which is white, and I'm actually using this to create a cut crease. And then I'm gonna go in with this glittery shimmery orange, which I'm putting on my eyelids, and as you can see, I'm putting it at the end of my eyelids, but I actually end up going back to the red and put that at the end, and then moving the orange towards the middle of my eyelid so that it transitions from orange to red, as you can see. And then I'm going to go in with this gold, which is going to go in my inner corners. So I want that to blend into the orange so that there's like a nice fusion and transition going from the gold, orange and red. And then I will use this Revolution Egg eyeshadow, which they released last year. I know they've released some more this year, and I just use that and put that in the corners. And then I went in with my favorite lashes from the Minx Way. Make sure to check them out on Instagram. They got very fluffy eyelashes. And then I put the mascara, which is Light Camera Lashes from Tarte as well. And then for highlights, I went in with this Revolution Duo highlight, which is like pinkish blush with a mixture of a golden highlight. And I'm going in with that with my cheekbone, trying not to blend it with the black. But then I go into my nose, also in the middle of my nose bridge, my lips, and highlight wherever I want to highlight. And then I go in with this nude brown PS, I can't remember the exact name, but it's from Primark, and I use it to outline my lips. And then I go in with this gold bronzy lip, I think it's a lip gloss from Revolution, and I use that to fill out my lips. And to finish the makeup off, I've used the setting spray from Revolution called Sports Fix. And that's it, guys. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. This is my final look of the Aries Zodiac sign. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know in my previous 2 Zodiac video, I tend to draw the symbol on to include in the makeup as well, but with this one, what I did, because I did think something similar than this, so these lines are actually drawn around, that's actually the sign of an Aries, so it kind of looks like little what's it called, horns, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so this is the actual symbol. So I've actually incorporated the symbol within the makeup compared to what I normally do, where I'll do the makeup and then I add the symbol somewhere on my face. But I've actually incorporated it, and then I try to also put the colours that are associated with Aries, so that is reds and oranges, and added a little bit of yellow, just, you know, give you that blended smoky eye kind of a thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun to actually create this makeup look. I feel like it actually turned out better than I expected, so props to me. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I wanted to stick to like a nudish type of lip, but I wanted to have a bit of a metallic look to it, so I did use this Revolution. They do like Revolution does this lip kit where you can get a lipstick or lip gloss and a lip liner. I've lost my lip liner for it, but it's in this one's in the colour Syringe, I think. I'll put it down here somewhere. But anyways, yeah, so I used this and I feel like it brought the whole look together. I feel like this look is quite bomb, but yeah, I feel like it also looks a bit editorial. Or is it just me, like editorial?
type of vibes going on, but I really like how the eye turned out. I'm quite happy about the eye. I'm happy how the horns turned out. I'm just happy about this whole look. This whole look is bombing, it's banging, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. But yeah, if you guys do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.